What is up, Africana fam? It's your girl Young Africana back at it again with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this holiday glam. This is my redo because I initially had a video that I was going to post up based on a holiday glam, which is actually a gold cut crease, but I was not feeling that, so I went ahead and redo it because I want to sit down there and give you guys quality content. But before you go on and move on to the next segment, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell right next to the subscribe button so you guys can get the drop before the drop even drop. And if you are Africana OG already down with the Africana squad, go ahead and comment some red hearts, you guys. But if you guys are feeling how I achieved this red glitter liner nude cut crease type of a look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so for eyeshadow base, I went ahead and did a concoction. I used my L'Oreal Age Rewind concealer in the color Deep Bronze, and I mixed my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 1, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my buffer brush just to buff out that base. Now onto eyeshadow, I'm using my Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm using both the dark brown and the light brown. I'm using the light brown first as my transition color. I'm just going to pack that in and apply that all around my eyelid. And I just want to make sure that I'm covering up the surface of where I put my base at, just so that the base won't seep through. And then now I'm using the dark brown, and I'm just going to pack that in into my crease and then diffuse it into the colors. And for the most part, what you want to do is just diffuse and buff out the colors in between each other until you get a nice gradient. Now onto my Morphe 35OM palette, I'm using this red color in between the transition color and my crease color, just so I can have this beautiful transition. Now on to cutting the crease, I'm using my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0. And I'm using my Morphe E8 brush just to carve out my cut crease. I like to carve out the outline first before I fill it in. And just take your time, you guys. You want to make sure you have a flat brush doing this, just so that you have a nice and seamless look. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and just buff out that base. You do not want a wet base. You want to make sure it's tacky and it's also even. So go ahead and use your buffer brush and then also a flat shader brush just to get into the creases and crevices of the cut crease. Now I'll be using that dark brown and the other browns that I've used in the palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a ombre. And I start from darkest to lightest, starting from the outer corners of my eyes going inwards, and then I'm going to the Warrior palette and using that nude color as my crease color. And then afterwards, you would just diffuse the colors back just to make sure that you didn't lose any colors. Now onto eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede lip liner. I forgot what color it is. I'll leave it down below. But I'm just going to go ahead and use that as an eyeliner since I don't have a red eyeliner. And this is perfectly fine. Now I'm just going to go back into my concealer brush and just clean up that line, and then go into my dual lash glue over our eyeliner base, and I'll apply our glitter onto this. This is the fun part, you guys. So this glitter I did get off of Amazon. It's just chunky glitter. Just type in chunky glitter and you'll find it. I got it in like, you know, a whole 12 pack of different colors. So I'm just going to apply that quickly onto the adhesive. And I went ahead and cleaned my face and prepped and primed my face. Now onto foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation, the color 380, and then my Dior Forever foundation in the color 9N. And I'll be using my Instapot brushes to buff out that foundation. Then I'll be using that same Age Rewind concealer in the color Deep Bronze, and I'll be using that as my highlight color. Now on to contour. I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Congo to contour around my face and also my nose. Then I'm just going to go ahead and use this fluffy brush just to buff out that contour. And now I'm just using this flat shader brush just to carve out my contour on my nose. I want to make sure that it's nice and snatched, and then going into this buffer brush just to buff out that contour. And then last but not least, I'll be applying my highlight color on my nose. Now I'm just going to go ahead and buff out my concealer with my foundation brush just so that it is a nice gradient between the contour and the concealer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and buff out that concealer, and I'm going to be touching the eyes last just so we have a nice and opaque look. We want to go ahead and cover up those Chanel bags, y'all, so let it sit there for a little bit. I usually touch that last. Now on to setting. I'm using my damp beauty blender and my Nye Powder in the color Chestnut just to set in my concealer, and you really want to press it in just so that you have a nice and airbrushed finish. Then I'll be going into my Morphe contour palette, and I'm using that contour shade just to contour around my hairline as well as my nose. Now I went ahead and tightlined my waterline, but I'm going into Rumor 1, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right underneath my lash line just because I want to do a smoked out look, but I want it to be very, 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 I guess, I don't know what to say, I guess you would say opaque and just strong. So I feel like me having this base would give the color more of a pop. So that's exactly what I'm going for, and I'm using those same exact colors that I used in my crease. I'm going in with the red and the brown and also the nude in the inner corners. And I feel like this look just overall just tied it together. And for setting our face, I'm using my Bare Minerals pressed powder in the color Cocoa just so I have a finished look. Now to give our face a little warmth, we're going to go ahead and use our Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, and we're going to apply that on the apples of our cheeks. And as you guys can see, we're looking very warm and rosy, okay? Now I already went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. I'm going to use my dual lash glue and just put like 3 dots of it on my lower lash line because I did want to add a couple of falsies down there, and I'm using the I Envy falsies. This is in the length of short, and I'm just applying it sporadically on my lower lash line. And now onto the lips, I'm using my Italia black lip liner as well as the brown one, and then I'll be using my UOMA Beauty lipstick in the color Eartha, and I'll top that with my NYX butter gloss in the color Tiramisu, and then we're going to top that with the Beauty Supply Store clear lip gloss. Great combo, you guys. Excellent combo. This is the combo you need in your life, okay? And I wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz, so I'm going into my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that just only on my nose. I just wanted to give myself a little pop, you know, so I feel like that was appropriate for this look, especially because this is a holiday glam, so you know, a little shine don't hurt. But now I'll be going into my Morphe Luminous Continuous Setting Spray. Well, I don't think it's continuous. It's not. But yeah, Luminous Setting Spray. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And then I'll be using my foundation brushes to pat that in, you guys. You want to make sure you do that so you have a nice and flawless look. Now on to my Molly Moles. You already know I'm using my Essence Liquid Liner in Matte Black just to apply my Molly Moles. And we are pretty much done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you did not. Like I said in the beginning, go ahead and do that. I don't even know why you even came to the end and not subscribe. Are you crazy, girl? Let me stop. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next segment. Deuces!